How is it possible that e to the I pi plus 1 equals 0? Only 34% of people who watch my videos are subscribed, so if you like the video, make sure and hit that like and subscribe button. It's free. This equation is famously known in the world of mathematics for relating 5 of the most important numbers in mathematics. This is also known as Euler's identity. But why is this true? Like, honestly, it looks like it makes no sense whatsoever. You got all this stuff, plus 1 equals 0. How is that even possible? Well, the explanation comes from the properties of complex numbers. Let's say that z is a complex number. This can be represented as x plus I times y, where I is equal to the square root of -1. This is our imaginary number, right? So this is our real part of our complex number, and this is our imaginary part. This is in Cartesian coordinates, which is very important for later, because when we transfer into polar coordinates, we get the equation in polar coordinates, where r is this distance from the center, and theta is the angle at which that point resides. Now, if we set r equal to 1, and we set theta equal to pi, we get z equals, r is 1, so I'm not even going to write it, cosine of pi plus I sine of pi. Well, we can simplify this. Cosine of pi is equal to -1. Sine of pi is equal to 0. Therefore, we can forget about this, and z equals -1. Now, how do we use this? Well, since z equals -1, and z equals r cosine theta plus I sine theta, we can put this equation into another form using what's known as Euler's formula, another one of Euler's contributions to the world of mathematics. We can say that this r cosine theta plus I sine theta is equal to r e to the I theta. Now you might see it. Now that we have this sort of relationship, you might be able to see how we're going to bring it back. So if r cosine theta plus I sine theta equals r times e to the I theta, this is true when r equals 1 and theta equals pi, which means that if we plug those numbers in to this equation, we'll get -1. So let's do that. So r is 1, so I'm not even going to write it. We have e to the I pi, right? Because theta is pi. This is going to equal -1. If we just add 1 to the other side, we get e to the I pi plus 1 equals 0. And there we go. There's our equation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below of what topic you'd like to see next. This is Dylan signing off. Hope you have a good day and see you in the next one.